Welcome back to X's Job a Blog Job. Yeah, we didn't get nothing done Monday and Tuesday. We had some appointments we had to get taken care of, so we weren't even around the house really. So, but anyway, today is Wednesday, I believe the 30th or 31st. Big old Laramie, Wyoming. 44 degrees. A slight breeze, so it's fucking a little chilly, but it's actually pretty warm. Cloudy. But this is what we gotta deal with. Oh, cool. Look, some kids over there. Kids playing at the park. That is so cool. Can't wait till baby Harley's old enough to play at the park. She turned 4 months old yesterday. So I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, I got a phone call, so I'll get back with you guys here soon. Enjoy. Alright. Today's Wednesday, March 30th or whatever. The damn phone. Don't need to hear no phone ringing. Anyway, I'm going to get back on this. If you notice, we got the shocks off. Well, I got one off. I'm getting ready to get the other one off here in a minute. We can get this stripped down, and I got another one I got to get in and get a stator put in it. But yeah, it's coming along. So I'll record you some stuff here for a little bit, and then got to get this out pretty quick. So I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy. Today we're working back on Mike's dyna. Gotta get this done because in a few days I gotta do a stator on another bike. Whenever put this bike together, they didn't really care. They just wanted it together. They used whatever bolts they could, whatever nuts, not the right shit, nothing. I about broke my hand again. Son of a gun. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Oh, alright. Well, we got the shop. Alright. Welcome back to X's Job a Blog Shop. We're getting ready to go work on the fucking drag bike and a couple other little things. I'll have you guys come with me on that. I gotta go and pull the truck out and shut the gates first. All that good shit. Today is Friday, March 31st. I didn't do much this week on anything. I had some doctor's appointments, and little baby girl, baby Harley, had a doctor appointment, and Tracy's kids came, but they were sick, and I'll be right back. I gotta close this gate. Shit, I'll bring you with me so you can see what I have to do. And you tell it's snowing. Well, it's spitting, it's trying to snow. I don't know if you can see that or not in the screen, but it's trying to fucking snow. Anyway, I'll probably bring you guys back here in a little bit after I get over to Oaks. Talk to you soon. Enjoy. Welcome back to X's Job a Blog Job. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy fucking Fool's Day, April 1st. So I hope everybody's having a good Fool's Day. We're doing alright, I guess. Hands sore. Caught a damn cold. Fucking fighting it off. but I hadn't been around for a little bit, so I thought I'd touch base with you guys. I'm getting back on this. We got the foot peg off on this side. I'm getting ready to take the one off on that side over there. And then we'll start our daily doings. Getting this thing stripped down. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base. Apologize, fucking drag bike. Had to order a bunch of parts and they haven't came in, so I guess we're just waiting on the parts to come in, and then we're gonna put her together maybe tomorrow night. So anyway, that'll get out soon, and then hopefully I'll get this caught up and get it out too. So enjoy, everybody. Happy Fool's Day. All right, welcome back to Extra Chop a Dog Chop. Fucking Saturday, April Fool's Day. We already know what the fool is in the White House. Anyway, coming back, we got Kid back over here helping. We might work a deal so he can help us out more. Help us film, so we got more shit to film. Well, we got one side of the pegs off, we got the box off, got the tank off, the dash off. So after we get all the wiring and electronics off the frame, we'll probably just drain all the fluids out of it, and then get ready to pull the tranny out, the swing arm, so we can take it to business. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base. This is what we're doing. That was pretty funny, huh? It was funny to me, because I knew he was gonna do it. I just knew he was gonna do it. Okay, well, we'll be back. Enjoy. Oh, welcome back to Texas Chopper Blog Chop. Yeah. I've been fucking sick the last 2 days, so we haven't gotten anything out. So I just wanted to come down here to the shop and kind of show you. I got to finish mocking up the fender and get that going, and then finish stripping it down. But we got a good start on it on Dyna's Mike's bike. So we're getting there. Won't take much longer now, really, once I get that fender ready. I wanted to do a shout out to my buddy, Mr. Mike Glass. Thank you for the router, bro, but for some reason it's not compatible with my fucking modem, I guess. I don't know, I'm having a hell of a time. So send me your address and I'll send it back to you, okay, bro? And but thank you for the thought, man. That was so fucking cool of you. I way appreciate it, man. Hardly anyone ever thinks of us like that, so thank you. That battery died, so here I just had to change the batteries out real quick. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this little video put out, so at least I get something out, man. I apologize, guys. Hopefully we'll get better, healthier, and get this shit going. So I'm over being sick. Like the last fucking month, it seems like, off and on every other day or something. Fucking sniffles, coughing, sneezing. Can't get rid of it. So anyway, we love you guys. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to us. I'm trying to get to 200 fucking subscribers. So if you guys could help me out with that, I'd appreciate it. Enjoy. Anyway, today is actually Monday, April 3rd, and I wanted to show you guys. This is what we're dealing with here. It's fucking supposed to snow again. Anyway, there's the wood. We're fucking making a dent in that shit. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Enjoy.